Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to tell you how to solve the automatic repair in the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems. So currently now this laptop, this is the Asus TUF series laptop. So it's a gaming laptop and it comes under the model of FX 505D. And now this laptop is actually turned on preparing for the automatic repair, and soon it does sometimes it shows that is like errors like the automatic repair is not done correctly. Then it hints that go to the advanced option like that, and it further shows that diagnosing your PC like that issues will come. And now it actually shows that automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Still that advanced option to try other option to repair your PC. So the PC is not boot up, that's the thing. So now it having the only two option. One is a shutdown. So we have already done the shutdown option and shutdown and again turned on the system, but it again shows the same thing. Now we are going to the option advanced options. Now in the advanced option there is options like continue, exit and continue. So this option will again goes to the boot up, but again booting up the system it will again shows the automatic repair only. So then the option is to turn off your system, turn off your PC. So by doing this and again turning on, it will again shows the same error only. So we have to do some other thing. So the thing we are going to do is just tap on the troubleshoot, and after that click on the advanced options. And here is the some of the options like startup repair, startup settings. And so firstly we'll have a look on the startup repair. So let's click on the startup repair. So again it shows the diagnosing PC and adapting some of the repairs. So again the startup repair is also not works. Now again go to the advanced option and click on the troubleshoot and click on the advanced option. Now we are going to use the click on the startup settings, restart to change a Windows option such as just click on the restart. But it again shows only the preparing automatic repair like that. Still the problem is not yet solved. Now still the problem is not yet solved, so we have to do some other thing. So currently I am searching for the root cause of the problem, and the final thing we are going to do is system restore. So this is the final option we have, and here is also having some more see more recovery options. So here is also a system image recovery option. In case if you are already done the system image recovery means you can use that too. So now we are going to use the system restore option. So I am just go to the system restore settings and click on the next. So we have a timing on 7/15/2021. So on 15th date we have the one of the system restore point. So we are going to select this system restore point and just tap that and click on the next and click on the finish. Once started system restore cannot be done, so just click on the S option. Now the system restore option is actually process is going on. Now it is actually restoring the files. So it's actually a good thing to make a system restore point often in your computer. So because in any case there might be a chance of the Windows startup may get repaired, like sometimes Windows will not boot up perfectly, so it is because of the startup problem. So at that time we can able to use like this system restore option only. So in case if you have done the latest system restore point, like that means we can again able to start up the Windows. And in case if you are not created a system restore point recently, like that means, so there might be a chance of your data loss. So in case if you are actually made the system restore point yearly a few years back, like that means actually system goes back to the previous version, so in that particular data. So if you are doing like that means the system will actually turn on, it is actually booted up, but you may miss some of the files which are stored in between the periods. It actually shows some of the errors. System restore did not complete successfully and setting were not changed. Still the system is not booted, the number lock is not enabled, but now it's now a new screen is appeared. Updates are underway, please keep your computer on, like that message is received. So we'll wait for some more time to get this problem sorted out. Yeah, that's a good thing. Now the system is perfectly comes okay. So it asks for the password now, and the number lock is also works now. Now the system is currently logging in. So this is the one of the way to recover the startup repair problem. So in case if your PC goes to the startup repairing or failed for the startup repair, and if it is failed in booting means, you can take over these steps. And I recommended that you have to take a frequent system restore point often. So that is a good thing to recover your system in case like this problem happened means. So to create a system restore point, just go to the settings page, and in the settings page just search for the system restore point, or just type system restore and tap on the enter option. Now in the search results you will get the create a restore point option. Just click on the create a restore point. Now you'll get some of the options. System properties. Now the system properties window is actually shown, and under the and in that window, so here is the option create a restore point right now for the drives that have a system protection turned on. So now just click on the create option, and now just type now just enter the date. So that is a good thing. So in case sometime system is not booted up or any startup repair happens means, so that time in case if you are actually created a system restore point using a date means, so it will be helpful to make the system restore easily. So now the current date is 18/07/2021. So I am enter the current date and just click on the create. Now the system restore point is actually creating. It takes some time to create the full restore point. Now the restore point has been successfully created. So that's it. In case if you have, in case sometime in the future you will get some of the problem means, so using the current date of the restore point, you can again restore the system to that date, so that in case in time startup repair problem happened means, you can easily again start up the Windows easily using the system restore point. So this is the one of the thing, but the one thing is that you have to do the system restore point often. So you can do that in the interval of a daily or a weekly, like that. So based on your preference you can do, but it's necessary to do often, so then only you can able to restore the system in case of any problem. Well guys, overall that's all about this video. Now what are your guys thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. And in case if your PC runs with like this problem, and if you get sorted out, or in case if you have any other problems means, let me know in the comment section below. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.